Hello, I'm back basically for another Blender car interior modeling tutorial, I think. So last time we left off, we worked on this piece. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go into here, go into insert, CTRI for invert, hide that. And now what I'm going to do is going into here, and go like that. Go extrude the y-axis like that. And go into here like that. Extrude y-axis. Like that. Like that, and now we're going to select that. So we're going to, I hit Alt and Shift to actually edge select that, I think. So now I'm just going to go extrude Z-axis down like that. And now I'm going to move that like that. Like that right there. And move this like that. And just go into here, F for face like that. And hold down CTRL and middle mouse button escapes to zoom in. And now we have that. And I'm just going to go CTRR for like that. So we have that now selected like that. And I'm just going to go CTRI like that. CTRI like that. And I'm just going to go Alt hide. And now we have that now selected. CTR hide like that. Like that. CTRI like that. So we have that now selected right there. So that part is already done. So I'm just going to go into here. CTRI, CTRR. Like that. CTRR like that. Just lower down the section like that. CTRR like that. Like that pretty much. And now we have that already selected, ready to be used. So now what I'm going to start doing now for this, I'm going to actually end up going into edit mode again. Go into here, CTRL for link and CTR invert, hide. Like that. Zoom. X. Like that. Like that. And now I'm just going to go rotate like that. Alt hide like that. So that's selected like that, so that's now ready to be used, I think. So if I were to go to that, that's how it looks so far. Like that. It's not 100% perfect, but it can do. Like that. Like that pretty much. So now what I want to try to end up doing with this is I want to end up doing, let's say the top piece that's going to be used right here. I want to try to do that. But first I'm going to try to go into here, go edit like that, and put something like that right there. And just go into here. Go C for camera, select. P for selection. Right here, CTR join. CTR join. Like that. CTR inverse hide. Extrude, Z-axis, CTR, and I'm going to hit shift and select this vertex right there, go alt M and merge last right there, alt M, merge last, like that. Extrude. Extrude, scale, y-axis. Hold on a sec. That's a phone. So now I'm back. So grab x-axis like that. Grab x-axis like that. And just put that alt M for mirror last. Scale. Alt M for mirror last. And I'm just going to go alt R right there. Alt R right there. Alt R like that. Alt R. Alt H for unhide all, like that. And I'm just gonna go Alt. I'm gonna go with Alt. So I'm just gonna select this one vertex and go CTRL for link all, and I'm just gonna go CTR inverse right there, hide all the unnecessary ones. Extrude, scale, like that. Grab, x-axis, like that. Extrude, z-axis. F, like that, select that. F. And I'm just gonna go CTR R. So we select that, and I'm just gonna go CTRR again, like that, because we're not gonna see that right there. So we're done that, and now I'm just gonna go Alt hide right there, and this is what it looks like so far, right about there. Let me see if that's just about right. Looks like it's right. Like that. So now what we're going to be doing with this is we're going to be doing the middle that's going to go right about here. So now what we're going to be doing is this piece right about here. Right here. Like that. CTR link, CTR inverse, hide, CTR link, CTR invert, and just hit H, press H for hide. Now we're just going to go into here and select all of this right here. Like that. Go wireframe and select all of this. Like that. And now I'm just going to go separate selection. Go into here. Select these two. Go CTR join. join those together. And now I select that, go CTR inverse, hide. So now what we're going to be doing is selecting this right here. So extrude the and now I'm just going to hit rotate like that and just move that right there. Extrude, rotate, hit this right here, move that down right about there. Go Z and wireframe, Alt, center, Alt, center, Alt, center, Alt, Alt. We're going to actually hit Alt M, and we're going to actually hit center right here to merge those together. Alt M, center, to merge those together. And then Alt M. I'm assuming you already know how to use this software. Alt M, center, Alt M, center. We're going to hit Z, and now we're going to put this to solid shade mode. And now I'm just going to go into here and put that right about there. And that like that. That. Like that. So it looks exactly like that. So now we're just going to go Alt like that. Wireframe mode. And that's what it looks like so far. So now we have to do this piece right here that goes right about there. But first I'm going to go into here and go edge slide like that. Edge slide like that. Edge slide like that. Edge slide like that. Edge slide like this. And I'm just going to go invert, hide. Edge slide down like that. Edge slide a little bit like that. Go Alt hide like that. And now we can see more of the increase right there in the actual thing, if that's the way we want it. So now I'm just going to go CTR link, CTR I for invert, and go H for hide. And now I'm just going to select, so select this. And now I'm going to go CTR tab and select edge, select mode, extrude, Z axis. And now I'm just going to go into here and move that up more right about there. Put this right about there. Go into Z for wireframe mode. Select the C button, C key on the keyboard, and now we're going to select spray paint selection. We're going to hit Alt M and center with the merge. Select these two, Alt M, like that. Select these two, Alt M, center, Alt M, center. And now I'm just going to go like that. Like that pretty much. Like this. Alt M. Go into Z. Solid. Like that. Edge select. Like that. So we have that now selected. So that's the actual side of the car right there. So now we have to do this. Alt CTRV to deselect. So you already know what I did right there. So now I'm just going to go into here. Go extrude Z axis. Like that. And now we have that already selected. CTRR. CTRR inverts. Alt M, center. Z for wireframe. Alt M, center. Alt M, center. Alt M, center. And we're just going to hit Alt R for edge select mode. Like that. Alt R right here. Like that. And I'm just going to go Alt H like that. And now we have that all selected. So that's what it looks like so far. The car so far. So what else do we need to do? So we have that already right there. So now I'm just going to go into here like that. Go into here. And just go like that. Click normal, local, like that. And just go into here. And just add line segment right here. Extrude. 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 Like that. like that, and bring that right about here, like that. And that's the inside right there, ready to be used. Like that. So kind of like that right there. So I like how the way it's coming around. So I'm almost done. The only thing I had to do in here is pretty much, let me try to see. Yeah, the glove compartment is one of the things I need to do in here. So the glove compartment is one of those things. I'll save that for another tutorial. I think that's it. The next tutorial I'm going to be doing like the inside of here. Going to be doing like the edges right there. And then I'm going to probably do on my next tutorial the glove compartment. And then basically after the glove compartment, it's going to be, let's say for example, the car vents. So I'm going to be doing the car vents that's going to go right here. So I'm going to be doing pretty much a car vent that's going to go in this section right here is a car vent. And then the other car vent right there. And then when I'm going into more detail, I might end up doing more of this piece right here. But it looks like I have this almost done. The only thing I had to do now, next after this, which I might call this a day, is this right here. Maybe the steering wheel. Maybe like all the attachments, do this part piece right here, I think. And then that's it. And then just put this together, I think. But it looks like I've gotten most of the interior done today, so I hope you enjoy this so much. So that's what the interior looks like when it's already smoothed. Everything, it looks exactly like this. Almost completed, but not quite. But that's okay. So I hope that this tutorial helped you out, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe, and please subscribe to my channel. I hope you liked this tutorial, and I hope this tutorial can help you out in future projects. Thank you, goodbye, and goodbye.